water plus starch, and the main concept is that we have taken the two beakers in which in first one we have added water plus starch, and the difference between the two beakers is that in the first one we are heating, as you can see in the video, and by this experiment the conclusion we are getting is that by the increase in the temperature, the solubility of the solution is increasing. As we can see here, that by heating, all the starch that we have put in the solution is completely dissolved in the solution. On the other hand, the starch which is present in the solution which is not heated is not totally dissolved in it, and the maximum amount of the solute is present in the bottom, which shows that the increase in temperature is increase in solubility.